Hi guys, so we are at the inn at Penn. This is our hotel room. As you come in, there is the coat closet. They already have robes for you, a blanket, and an extra pillow, iron and ironing board. They also have a full-length mirror inside of this closet. This is the door in which we enter. Over on the right hand side, this is the bathtub, the shower. Has different multiple sprays. We couldn't wait to unpack. So I wasn't all that clear on how to adjust the lighting that they have here, but basically you can choose vanity shower, night light, all of the lights on, or all off. All right, I'm heading back into the bedroom. They had originally give us a king size bed, but I asked for 2 single beds. This is the nightstand. Okay. They have the little eye port here. Flat screen TV as usual. And a pretty nice size dresser. This, of course, is the desk that they give you with the outlets. This is a HEPA filter room for those of us who have allergies. This is the view from the outside window. It's pretty much nothing but universities over here and a few small town shops. It's a huge chair, comfortable. Then I'll just swing back around. Nice photograph over the bed. And that's pretty much it. We're just here for one night. Okay. Later on, I'll show you guys the rest of the hotel. Bye.